Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. We have a 2017 Audi Q7 Premium Plus Quattro. Has a 3.0 supercharger, V6 engine in it, all-wheel drive, 3-row, all the features you could want. Do a quick walk around. It's in really great shape inside and out. We just serviced it here at our shop on premises. Drives excellent. It's one owner. The only blemish on the whole car, like I said, there's one small ding right there on the front fender. Interior's in great shape, so this is going to be pretty loaded up. You're going to have the pano roof, heated rear seats, big old roof. You'll have the third row back here as well, which folds down as well. You need more storage. So it also has these sunshades that go up in the rear. Check out the interior here. You can see it's really nice. So you have AC seats, heated seats. Beautiful car. Only 73,000 miles. Is it something you might be interested in? Definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi or Volkswagen, Porsche, or other luxury or foreign or domestic vehicle, give us a holler in our repair shop. We help get you squared up back on the road. Thank you for checking out our video.